Hello, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Thursday, March 28th, 2019. I just want to let you know what's going on. I'm not feeling really good. My wife actually has the flu, and I think I may or may not have had it. I don't know. I'm just not feeling real good. So just wanted to bring you up to speed with what's going on with me. This week was kind of a challenging week for me. I'm The combine, I'm sitting up about 900 bucks right now. About 93 ticks if you want to be. So the combine, I still have another 1K plus to get to where I need to be. I had just one trade on today. I was looking for a short side entry. I didn't see any. I didn't like any of the longs. They happened too early in the morning for me. They were at 6 and 6:30, I believe, respectively. You double check that. 6:20, 6:19, and then at 6:30 a.m. CST. I wasn't up at that point, so I was looking on the short side of the trade, looking after it had topped out. There was a short signal for me that came in around 9:24, so I used that to get short, and it just didn't have any oomph to break down at that point. So I cleared out at break even on the trade, and then I'm just closing in the shop out for the day for now, unless I see something that really I want to do. We're at the almost 11, closing in on 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's where the market kind of does you know. Usually I like to have my trade in well before at this point in time, and I'm just using the this part of the session to trail the profit stop behind it. So I don't, and some days just don't work out, right? I mean, you have your, I mean, we'd all like to make 100 ticks every day, you know, $1,000 every day. If that was the way it was, we'd all be gazillionaires, right? It's just, some days it's just best to protect what you got and move on to the next trading day. So that's kind of where I am right now. I'm looking at the markets, and it looks like humbly speaking, I can see both sides happening. I can see us breaking down to the lows. I can see us going up to the highs. I mean, and that's not a good place to be when you just don't have any inclination which way the market's really not giving you any help right now. It's kind of slowed down around that 5,900 level, and I can see both sides right now. I can see us going back up to the highs at 59.43 and above and beyond, going back to $60 a barrel. I can see us breaking down $58 a barrel. I can see both sides. Right now, I just don't. The volume's not giving me any help. So let's just wait it out. Let's wait it out and see what else we see later in the week. Hopefully tomorrow the picture will be a little bit clearer, and I'll bring home a nice winning trade tomorrow being Friday. Hope you had a great trading week so far in whatever market you're trading. As you can tell, I like to trade the crude oil market, crude oil futures. That's my weapon of choice to be able to trade. Sometimes it gets the best of me, and other times I get the best of it. But I'm under the weather, so I'm going to be calling it. We had a good. I would say we had a good free room yesterday. That was fun, and we had about almost a dozen people in it at the height of the room. So that was fun. So I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for participating, those that came in and decided to be a part of the room. And unfortunately, I had to throw one person out. Nothing personal, but if you're going to get, if you're going to start attacking, then there's no reason to be in the room, right? So it's free to start with, and if you want to go down that kind of road, then you know, that's my control, right? See you later. So no offense, none taken, hopefully. So if you can, the specific person I'm talking to can control your fingers on the typewriter or on the keyboard, you're more than welcome to come back in again. But if you can't, stay out, right? So, but it's my room, and I can have my own rules. If you want to have your own room and do your own damn thing, then go for it, right? All right. So that's where I am. That's about it. I don't have anything more to say right now. Well, I think that's close to 5 minutes. Yep, I'm almost got that 5-minute timer down to a T now. So I forgot to turn it over, but it's 5 minutes. All right, Dave Knight here. See you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.